for you guys. For our ongoing class, we're just focusing in on one measure of Somewhere Over the Rainbow in the verses, because the chords are really weird. We have 3 beats of an A minor and 1 beat of an F9. It's happening here. Somewhere over the rainbow. We have 3 beats of A minor and 1 beat of F9. Don't get mad at me. This is the way it was written. And we need to honor that. So you can strum down over the rainbow. In other words, if you're doing another one of the finger picking patterns, you're going to have to knock it off for that particular measure. And as I was explaining before, my go-to is to arpeggiate with my thumb over the, and then strum rainbow. So it's 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Or use your feet to play. That should be interesting.